Hi, Bolt.
Mm-hmm.
Or hello, Bolt.
Hello, Bolt. Mm-hmm.
We're going to do my very first unboxing video.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Came from
the very first of what? 2026, right?
2026.
Mm-hmm.
Came from
It's off of eBay.
eBay.
Mhm.
From
Wow.
came from Clackamas,
Clackamas,
Oregon.
Oregon. Okay.
From my friend
Mhm.
Chloe Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
There's Duchess.
I'm going to open it here because they did it a little bit different. Okay. Here, you give me the camera.
Yeah.
You open it up. Okay.
Hi, Bolt.
Hi, Duchess.
Let's see what's inside.
Mm-hmm. Clackamas.
Clackamas, Oregon.
Oregon, yeah. It's one of those tricky words to say.
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up.
Uh,
Sometimes you gotta pull hard.
there we go.
It'll just pop right. There you go.
Ooh,
Mhm.
more.
Mhm.
Ooh, bubble wrap.
Oh boy. Who loves bubble wrap?
Me.
Yep. Okay, take it out.
Here's a moment I've been waiting for.
Mhm.
Bolt, there it is.
Mhm.
It's a Dover elevator emergency light lens.
Well, it's bigger than I thought it would be. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna take it out of the bubble wrap or not?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do it?
Yep.
Carefully. There. Start the thing, okay?
Okay.
Grab the scissors here. Dad's almost as impatient as Jeffrey is.
Yeah.
Just want to get it done, huh? Right?
Right?
I think they rolled it. Yeah. That's just everywhere. Oh, they left the screws in too.
Screws in here
Yeah,
too.
yeah. So be careful. Try not to break this, okay?
Okay.
There we go.
There we go.
And here it is.
And here it is.
It needs a cleaning on the inside. Look on the inside there.
Look at the inside there.
Yeah, we need to clean that. Okay, turn around. It's just the lens, but it's a part you don't have. Okay.
It's a shoulder bolt.
Mhm.
There it is.
Mhm.
Dover Impulse Emergency Light Lens.
Okay.
The name made by Dover. And the capacity nameplate.
Yeah, we can put a little
20,000 pounds.
light bar in the back if you want.
20,000 pounds. Same like one over at the main building at Southeast Community College.
Mhm. Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Finish up your video.
All right. So a big thank you to my friend Chloe Jackson. With so that being said, stay tuned for more unboxing videos soon.
That's it.
That's it. Bye, Bolt.
Bye.